My name is Jacob. I'm the founder of Relay.app, which is the tool I'll be showing, but don't worry, there's not an ad for Relay. I'm also the marketing team, the sales team, the support team, the user research team, and several other functions. And the way I do this is I have my team of AI agents working for me. And the one I wanted to show you today is my email marketer, because I've been working on this one a lot recently. And you can see that my email marketer currently has 3 responsibilities that are active. Every week, it writes a weekly event email. Whenever a user replies to one of my emails saying something like, please take me off this list, I hate you, it automatically unsubscribes them from our email marketing provider. And then also it reaches out automatically to churned customers asking them for feedback. You can see I'm also working on this write an agent of the week email, but I haven't done that yet. And because I know we have a lot of product managers and product marketers on the call, I wanted to show adding a new workflow to this agent, which is going to be our monthly newsletter. And the monthly newsletter is special because it summarizes all of the integrations we've built in the past month, which we pull from our issue tracking system, Linear. So I'm going to show you how to build a very simple workflow that on the first of every month is going to retrieve all of the recently launched integrations from our Linear, use AI to turn that into an email newsletter draft, and then output it as a Google document that I'll then review and publish to our email mailing list tool. The way I'm going to do that is I'm going to click New Workflow. What my agent is going to ask me is what it would like me to build. There's 2 ways you can build a workflow in both Relay and many other agent building and workflow tools. You can either vibe code it with natural language, or you can build it via structured builder. I'll do a little bit of both to show you both techniques. First, I'm going to say, I want to write a monthly newsletter. Set up a sketch of a workflow that triggers on the first, uses AI to write a draft, then puts it in a Google Doc. And for those of you that are familiar with workflow building tools in general, you'll know that this is going to get translated into triggers, actions, and AI steps, which are the building blocks of agentic workflows. In this case, it's going to be a scheduled trigger, and we're going to watch in Product Copilot build this now. You can see the first thing that it's doing is it's setting the scheduled trigger to be on the first of each month at 9 a.m. You can see it created an AI step 2, to generate the newsletter draft. And now it's putting that newsletter draft into a Google Doc. But it asked me for clarification. It wants to know which folder do I put this into. And so I'm going to say, put it in our email marketing folder. And so now it's going to update step 3 to put it in. So now what I have so far is on the first of every month, it's actually doing it on the 18th. So I want to say, no, the first of the month. So now it's going to hopefully change my trigger to the first of the month. It didn't, so I'll do it manually. I'm going to start January 1st. It's going to generate a newsletter draft with AI, and it's going to put that in the Google Doc. What's missing now is I need to get those new integrations from Linear. And I'm going to show you how to do that. I could ask the assistant to do it, but I'll show you how to do that in manual mode. What I want to do is, in Linear, I want to find all of the issues that match certain criteria. I want to look at all the issues on the Relay.app team that are in the project new integrations, because those are the things I want to highlight in our monthly newsletter. If no issues are found. And let me just do a quick test to see what's going to come back here. You can see there are too many matches because I specified this incorrectly. I need to add a date filter. So I'm going to check that the completion date comes after the current date minus 1 month. I see the 2-minute warning, so I'll speed up a little bit. Test it again. And you can see we launched a bunch of stuff this month. Now I'm going to give the AI access to those issues. And I'm going to say, focusing on the new integrations we launched in the past month. So now I have a workflow called the monthly newsletter. And I'll add integrations in parentheses. That's going to trigger on the first of the month. It's going to look up all the new integrations. It's going to write a newsletter draft with AI. It's going to put that into Google Doc and stick it into the email marketing folder. So let me show you how it works when it actually runs. It found the 11 integrations that we launched, ADIO, Microsoft Planner, Allostat, Monday.com, etc. It's now creating a newsletter draft with AI. And then it's going to create a Google Doc. And hopefully it'll do it in the next 41 seconds. There we go. You can see the draft, new and expanded integrations. It's done, it's pretty cool. It filtered it by product category. I didn't ask it to do that, but it did it pretty well. And now if I open it in Google Docs, I can see that it's titled correctly, it's in the right folder, and it has the draft of the newsletter. Of course, in my real workflows, I have a slightly more detailed prompt with more formatting and a human in the loop check, but that's the basics. So now I turn it on, and now my email marketer has another responsibility. It also does our monthly newsletter.